So guys, as you can see, this is our positive and here's the negative for the driver. As you can see guys, this is the negative for the MOSFET, and the oscillating circuit output was connected to the gates of these two MOSFET guys. This is it here, and the drain connected it to the transformer. As you can see, 12 volt 12, and these are positive, so we are going to connect this positive to this positive here guys, and this negative to the MOSFET negative, and I'm going to leave a diagram on how to make the driver and the oscillating circuit guys. So we are going to connect it together now parallel, then put our battery to test the output guys. So let's go guys. So guys, as you can see, I've already connected the negative to the oscillating circuit and to the driver circuit. So I'm going to connect this switch to the positive, which is this red wire here, and to the positive of this one. As you can see guys, we are going to connect it to our battery. So let's go guys. So guys, as you can see, I've already added the switch. So this is the positive input. As you can see the wire guys, and we've connected it to the positive of this transformer and the oscillating driver guys. So as you can see, so we are going to add our battery. This is the positive and here's the negative wire guys. So let's test it. So guys, this is our positive, as you can see. So I've connected it, and this is our negative here guys. So we've connected it guys, and here is our output. So we are going to add our bulb to it. So guys, this is 100 watts bulb, so we are adding it to the output. So guys, let's test it. So guys, our project is working perfectly fine. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.